Hey, what's good? My name is Ozma Calafia. This is a quick video to update you on the Space Era Calendar Standard, which I have made minor adjustments to since the publication date, one of which is a font change. Besides that, I added it to the document itself, document history, and errata. So the baseline specification was posted on August 20th, 2026 CE, year 80 SE, day 182. But the Editorial Errata Pass, year 80 SE, day 188, August 26, 2026 CE, that's today when I'm making this video. I standardized references to permanent DOIs, removed non-academic secondary URLs, core mathematical specifications, epoch boundaries, and calendar rules remain identical to the August 20th baseline release. So, I essentially posted the first draft without doing my due diligence in the references section. So, I'm just going to formally change over to this iteration, which is now the official v1.0 iteration as shown on or at github.com/OzmaCalafia. Besides that, well, that's it for this video. Bye.